Today in this video we are going to see experiment number 9, TCP IP socket programming, computer networks lab, that is 18 CSL 57 in VTU syllabus. Yes, already I have posted the video in the theory TCP socket programming. So please watch that video for the introduction of what is socket and how the TCP IP socket program works. Now I will explain the programming part of client and the server. Yes. So what is socket? As I said in the previous video, socket is the door through which the transport layer and the application layer communicates with each other. So if the client wants to communicate with the server, first the server should have created the socket to welcome the client. So that is called welcome socket. So in case of TCP, we'll be having two sockets. One is welcoming socket, which is to get the request from the, or to get the, to welcome the client. Whereas the connection socket is to communicate with each other. The data communication will take place with the help of the data socket. So as I said in the TCP, first they have to establish the connection with this welcome socket. They are going to welcome the client, that is connection establishment is done. So it creates the socket called welcome socket, which is equal to X for the incoming request. So that can also be called as server socket is equal to socket. Then it waits for the incoming connection request, that is server. So connection socket is equal to server socket dot accept. So through the connection socket it is going to accept the client's request. Now what the client does, the client creates its own socket and connect to host ID port is equal to X. So if you see the server socket port number is equal to, that is here it is mentioned as X. So client socket is equal to socket. So it just gives the request, client gives the request for the TCP connection to the server. So using the welcoming socket, it gets the request, that is server gets the request. Once the request is accepted by the server through the line server socket dot accept, then this client can send the request using the connection socket. So it sends request using client socket. So after getting the request, the server reads the request from the connection socket, as I said. So it gets the request and gives the reply using the socket called connection socket. So welcome socket is nothing but that server socket. Okay, connection socket helps to get that is data communication, for data communication. So it reads the request from the connection socket, then whatever reply it has to give, that also will be given through the connection socket to the client. See, reads reply from the client socket and it closes the, once all the data communication gets over, the client will close its socket. Next, so this is the program that is a client side. So see the first line, from socket import star. So this line import all the functions required to do the socket programming. It imports all the functions. Next is server name is equal to, so whatever the name of the server, that should be given by the client, and the server port is equal to 12,000. As we said, we need a port number to identify the particular socket, that is nothing but 12,000. Next, client socket is equal to socket of AF underscore address family, as I said, internet address family, comma sock underscore stream, socket stream. So if it is for TCP, then stream is used. And see what is done here is it creates the socket to send its request and the get the response. So the next line is client socket dot connect of server name comma server port. So with this it gives the request to the server with this line called client socket dot connect server name comma server port with this particular server name through this server port number. Next sentence is equal to raw input of input lower sentence. So what is this? This is the request given to the server by the client. What is the request? It gives the request that it wants the server to convert this lowercase letters to the uppercase letters. This is the request given by the client to the server. So it sends this request using the function called client socket dot send of sentence. Send is the function. So it calls client socket dot send of sentence to give the request, and it gets the reply from the server in terms of variable modified sentence. So modified sentence is equal to client socket dot receive of 1024. So it gets the data that is from the buffer whose size is 1024. It receives the output. What is the output? Whatever the input I have given. See, if my input is ABC, while running the program, if you are giving the input as ABC, you should get the output from the server as the capital ABC. So what will be stored in this variable called modified sentence? Capital ABC will be there. So print from server modified sentence. As I said, you will be printing the letters in the capital, that is in the uppercase. Client socket dot, once the response is given by the server, the client will close using the function called close. Client socket dot close. So this is the client side programming in TCP. What is the server side programming? The same explanation is given. So this is server programming. As I said, the import function will get all the functions required. Then server port is equal to 12,000. So it creates the port and it gives the address as 12,000. And server socket is equal to socket of address of inet comma socket stream. Since it's a TCP, I'm using stream. And server socket dot bind. So whatever the address is given, that is bound to this port number, this port particular socket. Then once the socket, that is welcome socket, is created by the TCP server, it will be listening for the client's request through the welcome socket called server socket. So server socket dot listen of 1. So if number of clients is 1, so it will get the request from the client 1. So print the server is ready. Once it gets the request and it is ready to give the service to the particular client, then it will give the reply as server is ready to receive. Then while 1, then the client starts giving the request. So while 1 connection socket comma address is equal to server socket dot accept. So using connection socket, it will be accepting the request. So what is the request given? It sends the variable called sentence in which the lowercase letters will be there. So what is the function of the server now? It has to convert it into uppercase and send it to the client. So it gets the request and it capitalizes the sentence. How it is going to convert the lowercase letters into the uppercase? It uses the function called upper. Then it converts it into a uppercase and stores the data in the variable called capitalized sentence. So this variable should be sent to the client. How it is going to send? Using the function called send. So how it is going to send this capitalized sentence, that is uppercase letters, using the connection socket. So it uses the connection socket to send the capitalized letters. Then once all the response has been sent, the server will close the connection socket. If at all any other client is interested, then again it will give its own request. Then the respective response will be given by the server. Once that is done, again the connection socket will be closed. So this is how client and the server program runs. So with this, I am ending this session. Bye bye.